I reviewed this product almost 2 years ago. I still use it today. Check it out. So today I wanted to just do a quick review on this JNC770 battery jumper. The first thing I want to tell you is that this thing is 4 years old right now, and I use this thing several times a week, all the time at my shop. It's never given me not one problem. I'm very happy with it. It's the second one that I've owned. The other one lasted me 8 or 9 years, I think. So the newer ones here, they have a switch to turn it on and off. It has a voltmeter here. It tells you where the charge is at. It has a light. You can also you can have a strobe light on there if you like. It also has 2 USB charging ports. One of the ports is 2.1 amps, and the other one is 1.1 amps, so a little difference there. It has a plug for a cigarette lighter adapter. And one of the things I really like about this is that the cords are very long. I mean, you can see how long this thing is. The clamps have a little curvature to them. Now this one here is straight, and I'll tell you the reason why is because they don't hold up if you run over them with a car. So I had to replace this one. But anyway, when you can connect it to your battery. And it'll tell you how many volts are in that battery, which is another feature that I like about this. So this says 12.7 volts. Now when you turn it on, it's the same voltage because they're both charged up. But normally it'll tell you, if I disconnect the battery here, this tells you how much the jumper itself has voltage in it. And then you can leave it connected to the battery if you want to, and just turn it off. If you have a car that's not it's always needing jumping or something, you can just leave it like that, just turn it off, and it's fine, doesn't drain anything. It has a plug in the back to recharge it. If you're wondering about the recharge times, I'm probably, I would say maybe about every 2 weeks I plug it in overnight and it charges back up. So it lasts quite a long time. But this thing has been a great little jumper, and I've never had any issues with it. I really like it, and if this one ever goes out again, I will definitely buy another one. Okay.